Looking at the crude oil market here on the weekly time frame, you can see that we've kind of been bouncing back and forth from the 51 down to the 45 level here, just back and forth, back and forth. So as we come into the week following Thanksgiving, I'm looking for a price to continue on up here into the $50 range and really looking at a retest of the 51 to the 54 weekly supply level here. Over here on the daily time frame, you can see price bouncing back and forth and back and forth. Again, in that range type of idea that we're going with, and it barely just missed the purple zone. So buyers really stepped in there, and the institutions really bought that area hard. You can see price pushing to the upside here into the $50 level, and into the top of the range here that coincides with the weekly zones that we were seeing. So I'm really looking for us to revisit right around the $50 to 51.50 point as price continues to accelerate over the up and coming week. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that well, we're not going back for far enough days to really see the zones down below, but here's the support and resistance that we're looking at here on this time frame. And we're going to be seeing a little bit of resistance here at the 48 level, okay? And down below we're going to be seeing some support at 45.31. So as we come into the uppers extremes of the top of the range on the weekly and daily time frame, look for us to be hitting some resistance up there, maybe a little quick recoil here over the next couple days, and then pushing up into the $50 level and possibly even up into the $51 range this coming week. Last week here on the E-mini S&P 500, we were looking for the 2200 level to get hit, and sure enough, it sure did. So we had drawn this out. We've been looking for this thing to be hit for a while now, but it got hit this week, and we pushed through it. And to me, it looks like it's not going to stop there, but we're going to be pushing higher and higher and higher. So that's what we can see easily on the big time frame here. Over here on the daily time frame, I just really want to point this out to everybody here. The 2203.50 down to the 2192 here on the daily time frame, and look at where we drew the line at 2200, and look at what has happened here today. This is lining up to be really amazing. It's a expansion, a little bit of a retest here at a known area of support. So this level just formed right here. So we have a new support level to be forming and to be basing future price action off of, and did a wonderful job of bouncing here at the 2200 level, and I just see us moving to the upside even higher up into the 2220 level for sure this week. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we've been moving steadily up, but over here it kind of seems like we're in somewhat of a range, if you will, okay? Like it feels like it's been doing it, but yet it's been doing it slowly, and it's been doing it with a lot of retests and a lot of like little like, ooh, like, do I really want to do this? Ooh, this is brand new territory. Ooh, okay, we're going to do this, but oh, let's go back to familiar, you know? And so it feels very, very consolidated right now. We have seen the good expansion to the upside. There's nothing to make me believe that we're going to be going back down right now at all. But we're just doing it slowly but surely kind of deal. So let's continue to look at that happen here over the next week.